VegasLoveBug is a fabulous YAAMAVA casino, and I'm playing Timberwolves, and I got the special, and here we go. Let's see if anything good happens here. Oh, times 5, come on, come on, come on, give me that, yeah! Well, that helps. I did this with a $5 bill, and I got 22.50 times 2. I got 10 games left. I'm gonna hit the button. Let's see if something else good happens. Oh, come on. Yeah, do it again. No respin. Final game. Okay. Well, my 5 turned into 50 for 25, and I'm gonna keep playing it. Oh! 525 times 2. And I'm gonna hit the button when it lets me. Okay. I'm going to go up to 80 cents and see if something happens again. You never know. The owl keeps showing up. Oh, one more owl. I would have had it. How are you doing this morning? Oh, I got it! 3 of them, okay. And since I was at 80 cents, I got $4 for the owls. And here we go. Let's see if something good happens. Oh, times 5! 12 times 2. That's good. I wish I had a 3 over here. VegasLoveBug is going out of my mind. Yeah, here we are. Timberwolf. This is the regular one on the left side. I'm going to do the one on the right side next. Maybe. Yeah. I'll do the one on the right next. I got 11 free games left. This is looking quite good. Oh, and it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel. VegasLoveBug. Tell a friend. Tell your neighbor. Tell the police. Oh! I got to re-trigger times 3. Wow! So now I got 22 games and I got $12 for the owls because it's times 3. I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. Oh, this is good. I'm just going to let it go because It seems to be doing better when I just let it go. So I'm just gonna let it go. Wow. I'm gonna hit the button. And it doesn't do any good. No. Oh, times 5. Come on. Come on. House. Oh well. Oh, almost a re-trigger. Oh. Bears and deers. Okay. 11 games with 10 games left. Oh, here we go. Come on. Oh, wolf. No, nothing. Oh, well. Come on. Oh, not the deer. I got 9 games left. Times 5. $40. $48. And I got 8 games left. I don't believe it. Wow. Wow! I think I should just let it go. There's the wind meter when it gets to 48. It's almost there. I love YAAMAVA. The video before this didn't turn out too good, but this one's turning out real good. I like this. Wow. See if something happens again. Oh. 5 games left. Oh, I got a re-trigger again. I don't believe it. Re-trigger times 3 for another $12. I don't believe it. This could keep happening, that would be fantastic. Now I got 15 games left. The man times 3 and the jack. So this is still happening. That's good. Wow. And I'd like to say hi to Charlotte and Phoenix. Thank you for the good luck, Charlotte. I love you. Almost to re-trigger again. Oh, let's see. Any more time? Oh! Come on! Wolves! Yeah, wolves again! Oh! Well, that's 840. And I got 3 spins left. You can't go wrong at YAAMAVA. Wow. One game left. That's it. Wow. So my 5 turned into 185, 15. I'm going to take it down to 180. Then I'm going to go up to 120. Okay, now 120. And it almost gave me once. Oh, that's 2. Come on. Oh, that's 2 again. Come on, give me a third one. I got a third one. I needed it there. Come on. Something's got to happen here. Come on. I got 2 again. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's nice. $6 for the guy. Okay. And the queen. Oh, look at that. So close again. But I got 450 times 2. See if the owl shows up pretty quick. Come on, owl. Oh, he did it again. Come on. Come on now. I got it at $1.20. So I got $6 for the owls this time. Oh, let's see what happens this time. This is going to be a good video. I got the deer. Got 11 games left. Come on. Oh, wolves. 630. Jacks. 9 times 2. 6. Just gonna let it go. And I got 9 games left. Yeah. Wow. Come on. Oh! Jack! Yeah! 3 times 5. I needed 1 more jack. But that's okay.